There are plenty of other options that we can talk about with apt-get. Let me go over those just briefly. You can run sudo apt-get and then the clean command to remove your stored archives, your stored archive of packages downloaded using apt-get. Now, there's also an auto clean option, and the difference between auto clean and clean is that auto clean is going to remove packages which have newer versions, and it will also remove packages which are no longer available via the repositories you have active on your server, where clean is going to remove everything. So auto clean will remove packages for which there are newer versions, and it will remove packages, package archives from packages which are no longer available. Clean gets rid of everything in the archive. So you have clean and you have auto clean, and often I see people run clean and then auto clean, which is redundant, but you can certainly do that to make sure that you really get that thing cleaned out. But clean, if you run clean first, it should remove all archives. And so auto clean should not need to be run, but you can certainly run sudo apt-get clean and then auto clean if you would like to do that. Some people also forget to run sudo apt-get update. And what this is going to do is it's going to fetch from the servers, from the repositories, all of the latest package information. And so running sudo apt-get update will ensure that you are pulling the latest package from the repositories. So the update command is going to make sure that apt-get has the correct dependency tree, the list of dependencies for the package or packages you're trying to install, and that way you'll make sure to get the proper dependencies installed. So if you need to start over from scratch with a software installation from apt-get, I've already shown you how you can sudo apt-get, and then you can choose to purge the package and then auto remove the package, and then you'll put the package name right there, and then you can run sudo apt-get update in order to pull the latest dependency trees, the latest package list from the repositories there, and then after that you can attempt to install the package all over again, remembering that somewhere along the way you may need to attempt to force dpackage to automatically configure the new software. Again, if you're receiving errors, obviously if everything's going smoothly, you're done. Nothing to worry about. Those are just a few more things for you to think about in regard to apt-get. I know that some of this can be confusing for people who are not familiar with a Linux-based system, in particular not familiar with Ubuntu at all. But this is the way in which you manage packages. It's nothing to freak out about. If you have unmet dependencies, you have broken packages, don't worry about it. Instead, use these steps, feel confident in them in attempting to resolve the issue. And then remember, this is very important, remember to always read the entire error that's being thrown off. All the time you'll have people who say, hey, I have this error, and it says, I have an error here and I need to run this command. What do I do? And you say, well, you need to run that command. In fact, very often when a package is broken, you will actually have the error say, run sudo dpackage configure A. Just like this. It'll say this in the error message, say try to run this here to resolve the issue. And still, you'll get some people to say, I don't know what to do. I have this error. Well, read the error, see what it says. Ubuntu really is a very friendly operating system. Debian is a friendly operating system. Ubuntu is based on Debian, and Debian is called, Debian's called an operating system for humans. So, it's designed to help you. The error messages are there. Read them. See what they're saying, remain calm, don't freak out, and remember everything that I'm teaching you here in this section.